Alright y'all, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Julio. Shit, today we're gonna be pranking these firework people with a fake cigarette. It's fake, guys. It's not like I'm not putting anybody in danger, but let's go. Let's go buy some fireworks. Alright y'all. So it's happy. It's New Year's. Make sure it's 2023 is over for us. We had a good run. Good memories with y'all.
You did hella stuff. I saw your story.
You did hella stuff.
Like, damn.
Have you sold out already or not yet?
Have we sold out?
Yeah. Oh, just have these right here? Just these?
Yes, if anything, there might be some. You're at 145, 46. Yeah.
Which is the biggest one you have?
Are you looking for one where you just light it one time and it just shoots everything out?
Kind of just like that one right there.
This one?
Yeah, that right there.
There you go.
Yeah.
Low thunder.
Look at it.
Oh, let's get the bootylicious.
How much is that? See?
I can check it right now. That one is $94.99.
How much is this one?
So that one's $94.99. But we do have yeah, we do have all these are big ones. They shoot everything.
No, because I just didn't take some. And it's like if you
You think we should get this one or not?
you can move them all around.
Nah. Let's see.
25, 26.
I love it.
Oh, should we get the big, the show one? Let's see. Alright, let's go look around. Thank you.
You don't want that one? Oh, look at that dragon. I kept laughing.
Bro.
Yeah.
It's like
What's that? I thought, like, I was like,
the shit looks goofy. It's because the cars right now. Hey, look at the vibe, little sunset.
little vibe.
Hey, look at right. And so if I had money, I would buy one of these. Is that the same home?
Nah.
Nah. Yeah, we need some help. So our budget is like what, like 5,000? Which is like how much is that one?
This one right here? This one right here?
Yeah, that one. Oh, I don't know the price. Little 5,000.
Little 5,000.
Buy this one or 100? Buy this one.
115 with 75.
Should we get like 10 of those or?
10 of those? You want to get 10?
What are you looking for more like?
Can I see that one?
The munchies?
Yeah, the munchies. Hey, look, like me, look. Little vibe.
Little vibe. That's funny.
How much THC?
There's that there's
more
roses too.
How much is this one though?
5 grams.
Let's try it.
Let's spark it up.
$80.
What the fuck? Mine's fake.
Too. That's funny.
Oh, I guess it's not illegal. I thought it was. Oh, that's smoking right there.
Oh, that's
so that shit
no
There's no fun.
But boxing that
Bro did the I fakes rugged it. He fucking
He
did the
fucking
real
straight
shit.
dog that.
Alright, let's go inside, guys. I'm going
bought
inside.
it, huh?
Low key, do they see the faces?
I think you're not doing it enough.
What do you
You're
mean?
not doing. They don't even care.
I know they don't care.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let's go over here. I can start. Alright, so now we're going inside. Fucking. Hopefully this won't go wrong. Cameraman, ready?
Oh,
no smoking.
doesn't get arrested again.
Get arrested. Nah, you worry. I did. Hala. Huh? Yeah. Oh, you want your camera in the face? Oh, shit.
I didn't get it.
But it looks.
Chill out.
Who should we prank? Little staff.
Oh, like talk to get a worker, and then just start hitting at her, like mid combo.
Oh, the
Just
ghost.
start
Oh, never mind. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Yeah, let's walk away.
Yeah, I think we should go. Fuck that.
Yeah, walk away. 36-inch.
39, hey, yo. How much for this? $16.99.
Yeah, it's big.
Can we try it right now? Can we try it?
No, sir.
Can we try it?
Are you really smoking or that's fake?
Huh?
Is that fake?
No, it's real. Nah, I'm playing. No. It's fake. Don't switch it out.
That's fun. Oh shit, they got security.
Bro.
Nah, it's not. You would've looked that up. Hey, dude.
Like this one is my favorite one.
Bro,
Yeah, like y'all want to see a video?
you see? Ooh, little vid. Can you try it real quick?
Oh. I'm about to be like,
Nah. Long.
We also have this one.
No munchies.
Honestly, this one's a little bit better in my
Bro.
opinion.
Let's try it before we buy it, low key.
They did.
Little one. Oh, what the? Big fat guys. Let's see.
You wanna get
Fuck, get big fat. Let's go somewhere else.
they pick something different. So if you scan it with your phone,
I'll show you like pictures.
yeah, give you. We will give you like an example YouTube video. I'll show y'all do it for you.
How much does it go for? Wait, they don't fuck. Low key, I was trying to prank out with the fake cigarette.
I saw it. I looked at you like, nah, that's not me.
I went to like.
I saw you waving. I was like, nah, that's not me.
Like lights.
Yeah, like something like that.
Vanilla. Oh man, with the fake cigarette, but no one falls for it, bro. I actually got a real
I
one.
didn't see no smoke coming out.
that's what I said.
It's just look. I should've done that.
Yeah, you
Fuck.
didn't hit it.
I know.
I can say we have emails and like an ostrich in the back. If you want to come during the day, we're open every single
for
day.
real?
Yeah, and they're friendly. You can get up close.
You have them right now?
Yeah, they're back there. They're asleep though. They should be on more.
Ostriches? Oh
Yeah.
shit. I'm down.
Emails, and we even have an alpaca.
You have a haribel? You have a haribel?
No, that's down the street.
That's true.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have ostriches? I'm down. I'll pull up one day.
Hey, you know what you need to do? Do a fake blunt.
There's a long one, right?
Oh yeah, right there.
One.
Heck yeah. Yeah, you have a good one.
Thank you, bro.
Shit, little down. Alright, guys, 11:30 right now. I don't even think I can post this on YouTube. Can I post this on YouTube? Nah. I'm gonna get fucking banned. I'm about to shoot the fucking. What's it called? How should I put it? For the fills?
It's 30, yeah. ¿Cuánto tú ya? ¿Me fríos up or not?
Oh yeah, we should wait till 12. We should do this together. Oh shit, guys, we got the army right here. How do you reload this one? That shit ring. Hey, look at the quality though. Look at the quality. Look.
Tira pra abajo.
Tight shit.
Oh, can't hear it. Oh, can't hear it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year's. Thank y'all for subscribing, liking my videos. This is for y'all.